Hello guys, welcome to HTML5 tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to take a look at quotation and block quote tags. So we are going to see at quotation tag and block quote tag. So these tags are two different tags actually. So let's go to Visual Studio Code. Let me clear those things. Yeah, quotation and block quote. So these are the two different types of tags which you are going to see today. So quotation tag has two tags. It's open. One is opening tag and another is closing tag. So this is its format. So we all know that quotation. Every thoughts have a quotation at the front of the text and at the back of the text. Like there's a famous quotation named "All well that ends well." Actually, we all know that all sorts of quotes have a quotation in front of their text and at the back of the text, I mean at the end of the text. So we are missing the quotation. So how can we fill it? For that, HTML gives us a tag called quotation tag. So just apply Q and close it. So this is the tag. You could see that now you could see here that there's two quotes because I have enclosed it here itself. So I'll cut it, and you could see that Visual Studio Code has already applied there for me. So let me go and paste it there. So I had filled this quote with a quotation at its front and back by using the HTML quotation tag. So now let us look at second tag, which is block quote. So we all know that every quote, I mean every quote, thoughts, every sayings said by great personalities are always written in a format that is called quote format. QUOTE, quote format, FORMAT. So every thought has some sort of format for it. So if you want to display any famous personality's quote in your website, you always need to use this tag. So BLOCK QUOTE. So this is that quote. This is the tag. So here I'm going to write all well that ends well. So if you could see that the HTML has already placed the text somewhat away from the margin of this border. So this is an quote format. So it already knows. If you write a code with this block quote, it will tell the browser that this is a quote, so it needs special attention. So you have to move this slightly away from the margin. So this is the function of it. So I'll repeat it once again. This block quote tells the browser that this is a quote actually, and this needs special attention. So please move it away from the margin. So this would be its command to the browser, and the browser accepts it. And the use of quotation is to draw a quotation in between front and back of the quote. When block quote tag, the usage of block quote tag is used to give the quote some space so that it is well aligned and it has some special attention. So this is the end of the video, guys. Hope you liked it, and please like, share, and subscribe, and more videos are coming on today. So keep watching until I post my next video.